Hello, my name is Henry Schuck. I'm the founder and CEO of ZoomInfo. And today in Your Corner, I'm going to show you how to use Chorus to identify deals that are at risk in your pipeline with just 3 clicks. This is our new pipeline view inside of Chorus that shows me all of the deals that are currently forecasted to close this month. So I'm going to jump right in here, and I can see I have a warning signal on a number of these deals. If I take a look at these risk signals here, it shows me that number 1, it's been stuck in this stage for too long. And when I look at this across the call, this is a big deal. It's a $500,000 deal. It's slated to close this month, and we flagged 5 risks. These are key risk moments that as a sales leader, as a sales manager, I need to clue in on so that I have an opportunity to affect a better outcome. Here, I'm just going to click on these 3 legal trackers, and I can see here that the last few conversations that we had, we were waiting on a revision to come back from legal. It's been a week. We haven't heard from them. I'm actually going to click into this deal to get the full deal view inside of Chorus. First, on the left here, I'm going to sort by suggested contacts. Number 1, I have all of the contacts that have been involved in this conversation. That all gets enriched with ZoomInfo data. So you have the exact titles, you have their phone number, their email addresses, where they sit in the organizational chart. And you have all of that at your fingertips because we're infusing all of the Chorus data with ZoomInfo. But I'm actually going to click on suggested here, and I can see all of the contacts that are usually in my buying cycle that don't show up in any of my conversations. Over here to the right, I also have key insight from ZoomInfo. This is ZoomInfo's Scoops feature. I can click that, and I can see that the CFO actually left in the middle of my sales cycle. Left December 1st in the middle of my sales cycle. We lost the CFO. This is a key piece of information that I need to be talking to my sales rep about. If I look over here, and this is the chief marketing officer who hasn't been in any of our calls, I can one click to hop into ZoomInfo, see that full profile on the chief marketing officer at this company, see where they came from an employment history perspective. Again, I have their phone number, their email address, background information on them. I can pull them into the deal and multi-thread this deal very easily now. Again, I always have the Chorus link here inside of ZoomInfo. And so anytime I'm in ZoomInfo, I can actually listen to the Chorus call on any of my company profiles or people profiles. But back in here in Chorus, there are a couple things that I want to see now. We talked about those legal risks. Right here in keywords and trackers, I'm just going to type in legal. I'm going to get to the legal tracker. And now I'm going to see every moment that our prospect talked to us about legal. And so here, I'm going to listen to this portion of the call. One click.
We heard a week ago, he said that he was going to get a revision back from legal.
This gives me an opportunity as a sales leader to come in over the top, have the conversation with the executive buyer at this account to say, how can I get involved to help make sure we have executive alignment to move forward? We're all showing you all sorts of interaction types. And one that I want to show you is content that gets viewed by our buyer. Here you can see anytime I've sent you a snippet of a call or a piece of content. And so here I can see different pieces of content that we've sent and when they've been engaged with our buyer. We're bringing all of those key customer touch points together in one interface, surrounding that interface with key ZoomInfo information so you can find key moments to act on, to help your sales team, to get involved, to multi-thread, and to move your deals along.